so with this one, what I plan on doing is going in a clockwise manner. When it comes to solving for the distance of this line, I will use the calculator function, and I will also use the calculator function for solving for this line. So you'll see that as I'm going around and creating this. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch to AutoCAD. Alright, so in AutoCAD, I'll start with the line. I'll specify my first point by clicking. Once again, make sure that you have your ortho turned on. I'll go up a distance of 2.5, enter. Then I'm going to come to the right a distance of 2.75. Then I'll come down 1.25. Let's go to the right a distance of 1. Let's go up a distance of 1.25. And when it comes to trying to figure out this one, I'll use the calculator function. Remember, we're going to start with an apostrophe, CAL, enter. My expression, 6 minus 2.75 minus 1, enter. And then it'll calculate that that distance is 2.25. Make sure before you start that command that you have it previewing going the direction that you want. And I'll demonstrate that one in this one. So just like I did with that one, make sure you have it going up in that direction. Apostrophe CAL, enter. 4 minus 2.5, enter. You can see it comes back with a distance of 1.5. Go to the right, 1.5, down 4, and then use the close function. Okay, so that should be all that you need to do to create this one. Thanks for watching.